Hi everyone, welcome back to Biveya Beauty. On today's tutorial, I'm teaching you how to create that perfect flawless base that can last you all day long. As always, we start with our skin prep. I'm not going too deeply into that today because I'll be uploading a new step-by-step skin prep routine, so definitely look out for that. Once our canvas is ready, we can move on to the makeup. We are starting with foundation, and if you are wondering about the brushes you need for your makeup application, we have already uploaded a short showing you the essential brushes, and we'll also be bringing you a more detailed in-depth brush tutorial, so make sure you are subscribed. Now here's the first tip. When applying your foundation, work in sections, guys, and don't put foundation all over the face at once. Working in sections gives you more control, yes, and allows you to blend each area properly before moving on. And when you are blending, make sure you tap. Don't drag your foundation across the face. That tapping motion helps you build and blend the products beautifully without disturbing what you have already applied underneath it. For today, we are using the trusted Blossom Cosmetics foundation in Butter and Custard to create our perfect shade match. And if we do say so ourselves, we got the match perfectly. But here's another important tip when choosing your foundation shade. Don't choose your foundation based on the color you think you are. No. You need to consider your undertone. The three major undertones are warm, neutral, and cool. And guys, understanding yours can make finding your perfect foundation match so much easier. We went ahead to set the foundation with the Hermesmetic setting spray to lock everything in place. Then we used our beauty sponge to gently press the spray into the skin to help it melt seamlessly into the foundation, as you can see. Now we are moving on to bronzing the face. So think about it this way. Once you've applied the foundation, you've evened out the complexion, but sometimes the face can look a little flat. So now we're bringing back that warmth, shape, and dimension back. We are using the newly released Yglam bronzer, and guys, the pigmentation and blendability, chef's kiss, as you can see in this video. And remember our rule, guys: tap, do not drag. For the bronzer, we're placing it around the cheekbone, slightly above the natural hole of the cheeks. So this helps create that lifted appearance once everything is blended. We are also bringing some bronzer to the forehead and the side of the nose. And because we wanted that lifted eye effect, we are taking a little out of the bronzer towards the outer eye as well. You can already see how much more dimension we are getting in the face. Now let's add some color back into the complexion. We're applying our blush from Annie's Beauty's palette, and today we are using this beautiful baby pink shade. So we're placing the blush around the apples of the cheeks and bringing it slightly upward towards the under eye area. And again, tap. You don't want to aggressively drag your cream products around the face. You have to take your time and build the color gradually. Now we're moving on to concealer. We're applying it underneath the eyes and slightly lifting the outer corner to give us that lifted eye effect. We're also applying it to the forehead, the chin, and the bridge of the nose. Here's another tip, guys. Place your concealer first, then blend. For blending, I'm using the Yglam brush, and honestly, I really love using this brush for concealer. It makes blending so easy for me and gives me the finish I'm looking for. Now, because we want that beautiful bright under eye, we are going in with a concealer that is 2 shades lighter right at the inner corner and underneath the eyes. So this adds brightness without having to apply a huge amount of product once everything is beautifully blended. We're going back in with our blush and bronzer, and this step is very important. So guys, what's the number of tip we're in now? Tip 4. So now you don't want your concealer sitting separately from your blush and bronzer. Everything needs to marry each other. So we're blending those products into each other until there are no harsh lines or visible demarcations. And look at that, the base is coming together beautifully. We have our coverage, warmth, color, dimension, and that bright under eye we have been working towards. But we're not done yet, guys. We still need to set everything and lock this base in place. So if you want to see how we set the under eye, control the shine, bring the dimension back, and complete this flawless base, I'll see you in part 2. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share our videos, and make sure you watch this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Biveya Beauty so you don't miss all the goodies we'll be bringing to you. Bye.